Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, north central Murray County in southern Oklahoma, south central McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Wynnewood, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pauls Valley, Wynnewood, Wayne, Howley, Rosedale, and Whitebeat. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.